Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. Today is day 5 of my 31 days of Halloween. I'm officially at the last character of this cute little Alice in Wonderland first week vibe that I went with. And today's video is going to be all about Alice. I wanted to make this makeup and wardrobe so simple. So today's makeup look is going to be just a really basic makeup look. I'm not going to do any special effects or add anything. It's just going to be a really pretty soft glam. And for wardrobe, I'm just wearing this blue dress that I've had. Any type of blue top will fit for this look. And all I did was curl out my hair and then I brushed it through because she's a cartoon, but she has kind of really soft like waves at the end of her hair, so I curled it and then I brushed it all out. And then I'm just wearing a black headband to show her black headband. That's all I did as far as wardrobe. I didn't spend any money. You just need a blue shirt and a black headband. So enough of my rambling and we can get started onto the makeup. I hope you enjoy this series and this makeup tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and follow my social media down below. And let's get on to Alice from Alice in Wonderland.
Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
final Alice makeup look. Again, it was super basic. Nothing about it that I did was to look like Alice. It's just an Alice inspired makeup, hair, and outfit. I think doing something like this for Halloween is really awesome because you get the gist of the character, but you're not spending a lot of money. And I just feel really fresh and cute and really like how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and stick around for more. Hit that subscribe button and follow all of my social media. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!